Hi guys, my name is Sophia, and today we're talking about how you can run your team's customer service operations with ClickUp. So we all know that it can be really difficult to juggle the needs of your internal team and the needs of your clients from a customer service perspective. And the goal of this video is really to show you that you can manage all of these operations within one ClickUp team. So as always, we want to start by thinking about the ClickUp hierarchy. And the first thing I recommend doing is just creating one single customer success space to manage all of your customer service operations. And again, this is going to ensure that you can come back to this space at any time and find exactly what you need. Within this space, you can actually add our two ready-made customer service project templates. And I've actually applied these project templates in our left sidebar here so you can see. We have one for managing customer service, and we also have another project template called CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. So let's go over the first project template. You can see we've actually broken this down into three distinct lists. So we have one list for one-on-one meetings, so you can manage internal conversations you have with other employees. We have another list for positive feedback, so you can keep track of any positive feedback that your clients leave you. And lastly, we have the complaints list. So, of course, we all know that sometimes we will get a little bit of negative feedback, and this is where you can keep track of that for the future. You'll also note that next to each of these lists, you can actually hover over this dot and click to apply a color to your list. And that's going to help you better visually distinguish the list in all of your different workflows. You'll see here that these are all of our tasks within this project. I can actually add custom statuses to indicate what phase of my workflow each task resides in. So I can indicate if it's, for example, in progress, if I've talked to this person, and it's a great way to show your teammates how on track you are in terms of completion of this task. I can also add cool features like start and due dates. I can add priorities to indicate the level of urgency for a task. I can even add one or more assignees to my task to make sure that each task is delegated to the correct person of my team. Finally, we've incorporated custom fields into this project template. So custom fields are unique task columns that you can use to keep track of, for example, resolution status of a task. I can add a color-coded drop-down field. I can even add a link custom field to keep track of relevant websites. And I can also add cool information like contact info, emails, and phone numbers. If we go over to our CRM project template, you can see that we have three different lists set up here. So I can manage my customers in this list. I can add issues and complaints. And we also have a knowledge base list. So for example, if you have some internal knowledge base systems that you want for your employees, you can always keep those within this ClickUp list. The last thing that I wanted to mention in terms of our customer success management process is tags. Tags are a really cool feature that you can add directly to any of your tasks just by hovering over one of them in our list view and clicking on the Edit Tags button. And from here, I can really add any sort of tag that I want. So this is a great way to keep track of common issues or link-related tasks across your team. And maybe even if I jump into a different view, let's say I want to view my entire customer relationship management project, I can always come up to the filter button in the upper right corner of my screen here, and I can actually filter to view specific tags. So it's really helpful to zoom in instantly on relevant information that you're looking for. So those are just a few getting started tips to help you manage your customer success process. But if you have other questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us at help@clickup.com.